This is for banggood.com. Please do me a favor, Banggood, for my Hornet 2, or not Hornet, excuse me, my Aosenma, the black one. The first one had a similar issue. I was able to fix that one actually. Let me turn this around, I apologize. And the problem being, I already have the back off, but this is the problem. See that? Right there? There's a push-pulley system down in it. And I've only used this one time. And if you check my order status, I've had this for a couple months, or about a month and a half at least. And luckily I have another Alsuma, the original, and I have to use that one. So I have to keep rebinding back and forth. Long story short is, okay, so it looks okay, right? So we're flying. Oop! That's not good. And that's how it'll stay until you take the back off. See, everything works fine that way. That way. That way. Nope. So, I'm going to quickly show you what the issue is. If I can, I apologize for the horrible camera work. Happy Halloween, by the way. Okay, let's see if I can get this out of the way. Just for a second. Okay. Yeah, I just had it. Let me get some light in here. Okay. If you'll notice, if we focus it, if it'll focus. There you go. You notice that those two little prongs right there? That's the push pulley. Okay, so, and it's not, see what it's doing is it's not catching that back pulley part. Now, I know the answer. It's real simple. I don't know why the company didn't fix it. You just have to push down, and then there it is. You see? Well, my hand's there. I apologize. And then God, I'm trying to do this real quick. I apologize, but you'll see. It's for the most part fixed, but it won't stay that way because if you hold it at a certain angle or one too many springs, it jostles loose again and goes back up. I mean, we're talking about literally a hair of a difference we're talking maybe half a millimeter difference. See? But if I kept doing that, it would eventually mess up again. Usually it's okay if you have it at an up and down angle. But again, I was hoping that you guys would do me a solid, since I've spent probably over $5,000 with you in the past 6 months. Well, maybe not 6 months, the past year. Could you possibly send me another remote? That's all I'm asking. Thank you. Well, that and the RMA for my Lympho less 1. The watch itself is defective, and I already sent you guys a video, but you guys already seen it. Anyway, I'd appreciate it. I'll show this part again though, just so your technicians or engineers or whatever can look at it, and maybe they can get a hold of the company that makes Alsuma. Try to do it with some light. That is the problem right there. That one little metal prong, or I guess you call it a finger, or a tooth rather. Well, really that's not the only problem. It needs something like a bar, like a roller bar. Don't mind that. That was me trying to put super glue or something, or hot glue, I mean. Just trying to get it to jerry-rig it just so it'll work somewhat. But I'm at the point where I'm ready to pull all my hair out. Anyhow, if there was something like, okay, you see that where it connects? No, you don't. Okay, where it connects back there? I mean, it's on an axis, obviously. One down here, one up here. If that axis had just a half a millimeter more, like even just a washer, I mean, we're talking about a penny, just one little washer, or if the tooth down here was just a shade bit bigger, problem solved. And I can't be the only one this is happening to, because both of my remotes have done it. The spring mechanism, the sprocket, whatever you want to call it, I believe this one is not tight enough. Other than that, it works flawlessly. So, I don't know, maybe you guys can send me another one of these, and I mean, I don't know how to solder, so that would have to be soldered for me. Yeah. See, that's why, I mean, this cannot be but, what, a $10 remote at the most? Anyway, please consider it. Thank you. This is K1 Dotson, also known as KDRC. Thank you.